Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here at Blue Mesa RV Park. Well, it's a big road, but it's not a very busy road. Blue Mesa RV Park here in just outside of Gunnison, Colorado. And we'll take you around this park a little bit, show you about the amenities and a little bit about the site. And maybe one day you might want to come to this park and stay, or if you're at a park now, you might say, hey, we should get that too. Sometimes. So here's the main building, and most of the parking is that direction. But let's get on to it. Might as well. So come along with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. I haven't seen anybody at that spot. Maybe during the season, maybe they open it up and there's people here. Roads are nice and smooth. We'll give them that. All the RV sites are pea gravel or some kind of small gravel with a hard packed dirt, so it's not half bad. That's them going up that way, and there's some out this way. That's the lake for the kitties. So there's where my RV site is over there, and actually that's me right there. But this is toward the front entrance. That got a place suitable for taking pictures in front of. We got a nice pond, I guess you'd call it. There is for 12 and under to fish at, and yeah, it's stocked. You can see we're not too far from the main channel there. The reservoir podium. They got propane in case you need it. And here's the parking lot. We're about ready to go into that building. So they do sell ice. Got a Coca-Cola machine. And this is the way in. So they got a rope on that one there, but the way in here. So this is just inside the doors. They got this blocked off. I don't know exactly why, but it wasn't blocked off yesterday. I don't know what's up there. Maybe just offices. Got some pictures of fish people have caught. You got one of these things. Main office. That was the main office there. It's a nice room to sit around in and read a book. I got movies to borrow. I do have some DVDs. I guess I won't take you out here, but this is the pool area. You get through a different door. So this is the indoor pool. And the hot tub's supposed to be filled up tomorrow. Nice mural there. Offices there, salespeople. And they got a nice meeting room here if they wanted to do anything. Guess you could have a dance here, huh? It's not a huge room, but it's nicely decorated. This would be outdoors. They've got outdoor seating and tables for outdoor events. They've also got an outdoor kitchen. Burger bar, I guess they do that in the summer. So I wanted to give you an idea of one of their lots. You can see this is not concrete. This is a hard packed dirt with a small gravel on top. Most that I've seen come with a pad like that one there with a picnic table. And here is your Wi-Fi. There's your free Wi-Fi. They got these all around. In fact, there's another one. You can see it right over that way. If I see any others. Up to my naked eye can see. I always like being as close to these as possible if I'm using it. And they got your outlet here. I think this one here is 30 amp, but mine, which is not far, is 50 amp. This one's 30. Everything hooks up real nice. Got your water hookups. I don't know what that is. I guess that's a sewer vent or a water vent or something. But there's your sewer there, and you can see there's little pieces of poop around it. Well, that's from a deer. That's deer poop. I have not seen any deer out here, but I've definitely seen evidence. I know on mine, which I'm right there, I saw evidence of large droppings from a large buck, I would imagine. But they do have some of this as a barrier between you and the neighbors. Every now and then you find a dead tree, or these trees are still kind of cold. They're not quite in bloom yet because we're just got out of April, so we're the first of early May, I should say. But and that would be the main building. That's my bicycle, and this is one of their restroom and shower buildings. I did just open this up to make sure they were empty. Looks like it's fairly new. Nothing but a toilet. And here's the shower. Nice. Lock the door from the inside. It's got a hard latch, so you can't. You can lock yourself in, but you can't lock yourself out. That's good. Not without a key. Another shower there. I like it. And it's just off the cabins, which of course they're hooked up with propane, is what that is. It'd be a good place for a family reunion. You can bring everybody in here and have a central area, and everyone's got a cabin. Nice. These cabins down here really get a nice log cabin feel to them. It's a little stream. You can go through some more cabins up that way, and that way, and that way, and that way, and then back up to the RV park. And on the other side of this one here is where the activity center is. Here they make it set up for speaking or something, but they've got a nice setup here for you know what I'm talking about, putt and or miniature golf. I'll be playing. It looks like it's a full 18 holes. It's a cool playground for the kids. Not a thing wrong with that. It's in good condition. Some old beat up tires. They got a basketball court here that they have marked for pickleball. And they got a pickleball net there, which is since blown over. Looks like over there they've got some horseshoes that has not been used in a while. And down here would be shuffleboard. However, this one here looks like they just redid it, but they have not yet put the markings on there for shuffleboard. So you can't play just yet. There are some of their cabins. They got a lot of those. I was actually set on the water over there. I'm going to give you a view of that in a minute. Let's go on up here to the beautiful view in it, guys. It's a little cool today. Wind is blowing just a little bit. We're going to go inside this building. So as we first come into the activity center, you see there's horseshoes here, air hockey, TV. It is not heated in here. It's kind of cool. Maybe there's a thermostat somewhere. Might be. Foosball. No ice cream or frozen treats in here. I guess they opened up one of the rooms that Restrooms says is closed. Looks like that one there might have had something in it. Some games. Good. Miss Pac-Man working? No! Sometimes he's got Miss Pac-Man on him, so that one's not working though. Place to sit and to play pool. I don't know if it costs. I don't think I see any. I see one there. That one there definitely costs. And I guess this one does too. Huh. Anyway, not a bad little center. It's kind of neat. It's not as pretty as the one, the main room, but it's not bad. So in the upper area, you have this. They've got a lot of trash containers. Beautiful view. Birds. And this building here is fairly new. Got a laundry facility right here. Did you see that? It's in decent shape. Well, that was out of order. They're in good shape. Well, they sure don't give you much room in here to walk, that's for sure. $2 and $1.50 to dry. So, well, let's go check out the rest of the building. Ah, much nicer. Pool tables. These must be freebies. Awesome. I love me some free pool. Yes. Yes. I'll be shooting a little bit of pool in here while I'm here, that's for sure. I might even bring my own stick, but it looks like they have a good variety. This is more the adult side, I think. Now here's the pool, so they're cleaning it, getting it ready. It's the outdoor pool. Still a little cold to be hanging around out there. So what do I think about this part? Let me just wrap it up. My T-Mobile didn't work worth a crap here. The good thing is they did have free Wi-Fi, and it works no problem. I ain't problem with all with it. I'm watching movies, watching basketball. It's no issues. The small issue I have with that is I wish my T-Mobile would have worked here, and I wish they had a cable hookup that I hooked up to, but basically I got Air TV. So I did get some Air TV. I think I got about 24 channels out here, so that's not too bad. I mean, just looking around here, the scenery is really cool. You can't see any white peaks from here, but if you go from here to Gunnison, which is about 11 miles or so, you can see the white peaks in the distance, you know, way off in the distance in this area here. So that's kind of cool. It's really a nice drive. The highway is out at a reservoir that way, but not toward Gunnison, which is that way. So you can get here from Gunnison, but from the other way you can't. And it's a little larger city. Moroso, something like that, starts with an M, is that way about 25 miles if you had road to get there. But since you don't have road to get there, it's just over 100 miles to take the detour. Yeah, over 100 miles to take the detour. So it's not worth going, but they've got like a Home Depot, those kind of things. Here in Gunnison, they probably have the smallest Walmart I've ever seen in my entire life. It's about the size of a Walmart marketplace, but it's a regular Walmart and it's not groceries. My guess is that people probably petitioned Walmart and said they didn't want them to put a grocery store in the area, and or it would hurt their business. But anyway, they do have a Whole Foods, I think, something like that. One of those nutritional kind of places. But anyway, when I come back here to this park, I don't have any issues with this park. The time of the year, I'd probably make it in mid-June, because right now they've had a cool spring. The high I got today is 64 or something like that. So, and right now it feels like it's about 56. Brr, and I don't like the cold. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. Send this to your friends who are thinking about coming to the Blue Mesa 1,000 Trails here in Gunnison, Colorado. It is a long haul here, and those peaks are not friendly to gassers, and I have a gasser. But they'll sure burn up your brakes if you're not careful. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on down the road, because I'm just out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.